and I never stop to ruin the thought passing by unless I'm in my bed screwing. I'm a bit of an alcoholic and a bit of a workaholic. When I'm digging the night shift, I'll be finna to get to frolic. Yo, PM to AM is my time of the day, and I'll be living a kind of life if you know what I'm saying. Never playing games, I'll be putting in work, deserving the perks instead of being broken berserk. Check it, I need to do this for the survival of my soul. I'm Leo Messi on the pitch and I need this for my goal. You gotta be kidding me if you don't see that your steez means absolutely nothing to me. Hey yo, please save the bull and get a Red Bull for the bull, cause my head is full of ideas, I need a pull. My style is nocturnal, unique in its ways. Work during the night and sleep during the days. And if you don't believe it, you gotta come over and see it. Witness the realness and then you gotta beat it. Wisdom and breed it, my mind is on fire. 4 AM, screw that, I'm not tired.
Good night, I hear there's some shit. I put in work and watch my status escalate. Good night, I hear there's some shit. I put in work and watch my status escalate.
You gotta recognize, and if you don't see, you gotta be ready to open your eyes. Witness the lies, the fittest survive. Run for your life, strive like a soldier. I told ya, don't you understand? Lethal is the man with the mic in his hand. I got the plan wrapped up. Hip hop's the shit, and I got rap guts. One mic, one beat, and I'm all strapped up. I never act up, cause I know what I'm worth. Big girth from my style since the day of my birth. You been somewhere? Yeah, I've been there first, cause I'm all over the place when the energy bursts. I got the thirst for this drink, it's cool entertainment. Nocturnal Toby knocking it from the basement. Thousands said you can't find a replacement. Work